First, open up the project you've been working on in this class. Also open up your level. From the content browser, use the search field to find Weapon Rifle. Double-click on the asset to open it up for editing. This asset is a blueprint, meaning that it has some behaviors as well as additional properties. This window looks very similar to the previous windows, where we have a details panel filled out based on the object you have selected. We can select any part of the weapon to view the details. The top toolbar in this window is a shortcut list of commonly used actions. The viewport panel will have a preview of how this looks, so we can see some of those components and select them. You can also select components from the components list. Be careful with these details, this weapon was already set up. The event graph panel is a script attached to this object containing any behaviors and properties adjusted. The My Blueprints panel will contain all the variables, functions, and macros you have for this class. You can also see all the available events here and navigate to them. These boxes you see here are actually nodes dictated by the engine. These are all built-in commands